Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss a topic on direct and indirect proportion or inversely proportion, but it is related to different variables. It's y is inversely proportional to root x, y is inversely proportional to square root of another variable distance, the force is inversely proportional to square of the distance. Okay, such type of problems now I am going to discuss now. Here we take some problems and discuss about on that how to calculate the inversely proportional to related values and find out the unknown values from the given data. Here the question is, first question, if x is inversely proportional to y cube, how to write that is? X is inversely proportional to y cube means that is 1 over y cube. From this elimination of the proportionality relation, we take the constant, that is x equal to k over y cube. We can write the relation of x and y is x y cube equal to k. It is a constant. This is the relation of the two variables. Here x is inversely proportional to y cube means product of x and y cube is a constant. That is the logic. Here they have given x equal to 50 and y equal to 2. The first case, find the value of x when y equal to 4. From this relation, how to write here? x1 y cube equal to x1 y1 cube equal to x2 y2 cube. So here you take, it is x1, it is y1, it is x2, it is y2. Write in that, what is the x1 value? It is the 50 into y1 is 2 cube is equal to x2, we don't know, let it be x, and y2 is 4 cube. So what is x? X equal to 50, 2 cube is 8, 4 cube is product of 3 times of 4, okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 25s are 50. So what is the x value here? X equal to 25 over 4. It is equal to 4 6 are 24, 4.42 is 6.25 is the x value. Find the value of x. X equal to 6.25. Okay. Find an equation connecting x and y. You take x and y relation. What is that? Constant k equal to x y cube. What is the x value? 50. What is the y cube? 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 50 multiply with 8. 8 5s are 40. It is equal to 400. So what is an equation here? X y cube equal to 400. This is the second answer. Calculate the value of y when x equal to 3.2. Take in the place of x 3.2 and what is y? We don't know. 3.2 is x value, y is y cube equal to, in the first case, what is x? 50. What is y? 2 cube. So y cube equal to 50 multiply with 2 cube is 8 over 3.2. Here taking the point elimination, multiply with 10. 8 ones are 8 fours are 32. 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 25s are 50. So here y cube equal to 25 into 5, it is equal to 5 cube. What is the y value? 5 is the y value. So what is the third answer? Y equal to 5. Okay. In this way, we can calculate from the given data whatever they are asking the unknown values. Okay. Next question. Second one. From the first we get the relation how to write. I am taking here directly how to write the inversely proportional. See here, z is inversely proportional to square root of w. That is z square root of w equal to constant. Y, it is inversely proportional. So what is the relation between z and w? Z square root of w equal to constant. Here what is z? Z equal to 9, w equal to 9. From this, here only you calculate root w equal to root 9, it is equal to 3. Okay. Find an equation connecting w and z. So what is a constant? Here we need to find out the constant. That constant equal to z root w. Z value is 9, root w is 3. 9 3 is 27. So we can write it as z root w equal to 27 is the connecting equation in between of z and w. Next, find the value of z when w equal to 16. From that, w equal to 16. So, root w equal to root 16. It is equal to 4. Write in that relation z root w equal to 27. So, what is the g value? 27 over root w, that is 27 over 4. Okay. 4 6 are 24. 3 is the remainder. Okay. Again 4 7s are 28. 2 is the remainder. Take the 0. 4 5s are 20. What is the answer for z here? 6.75. Okay. Then calculate the value of w when z equal to 3. Take the same relation. What is that? Z root w equal to 27. They have given z equal to 3. So what is root w? 27 over z, that is equal to 27 over 3. 3 1s are 3 9s are 27. Root w equal to 9, squaring on both sides. W equal to 9 square, that is 81. What is the calculate value of w? The w equal to 81. Okay. This is the way. Okay. Next problem. Third one. For each of the following equations, state two variables which are inversely proportional to each other. Explain your answer. Here y equal to 3 over x square. From this, y x square equal to 3 is a constant. Okay, it is a constant. So we can say that y is inversely proportional to what is that? X square, inversely proportional to x square. That is the explanation. Here y equal to 1 over root x. From this, how to write? Y root x equal to 1, it is a constant. So we write it as y is inversely proportional to root x or square root x. Next, here y square equal to 5 over x cube. So from this y square x cube equal to 5, it is a constant. So what is the explanation? Y square is inversely proportional to x cube. Okay. Next, the n equal to 7 over m minus 1. From this, we write it as n into m minus 1 equal to 7. Here 7 is a constant. From this, the explanation is n is inversely proportional to m minus 1. Okay. Next, E, here Q equal to 4 over P plus 1 whole square. From this, cross multiply Q into P plus 1 whole square equal to 4. 4 is a constant. It is a constant. So what is the explanation of inversely proportional? Q is inversely proportional to square of P plus 1. Okay. This is the explanation. First, you take the relation and cross multiply. If it is a constant, you can say that whatever the variables combination is there in the left side, you do or you explain in that way only. Next question. Fourth one. If z is inversely proportional to root x cube, okay, is the question. Cube to root, z is inversely proportional to cube to root of x. It is nothing but root of x minus x comma 3 means it is the cube to root of x. Okay. So from that information here, z is inversely proportional to cube to root of x means we write z cube to root of x is equal to constant, let it be k. Okay, it is a constant. Here z equal to 5, x equal to 64. Find the value of z equal to how much? X equal to 216. Do you know here cube to root of 64 and find out the cube to root of 216. 64 prime factorization. Actually it is, if anybody knows, that is 4 cube, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Here 216 means 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. It is equal to 6 cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. It is whole to the power of 1 by 3. So we can write it as cube to root of 64 equal to 4, cube to root of 216 equal to 6. Got it? Okay. Now here we take the relation here. What is this? 5 into 4 equal to z into 6. Or if it is taking z1 and x1, z2, x2, the relation is z1 cube to root of x1 equal to z2 cube to root of x2. So what is the z1? 5. Cubed root of x1 is 4 equal to z2 is z. Cubed root of x2 is 6. So from this z equal to 5 into 4 over 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are 10 over z equal to 10 over 3, that is equal to 3.1 is 3.333. Okay, that is the answer for the fourth one. Next, fifth question. What is the question here? If q square is inversely proportional to p plus 3, that is, in our mind we have q square is inversely proportional to 1 over p plus 3. Elimination of the proportional relation with the constant q square into p plus 3 is equal to k. K is a constant. Okay, here they are asking q equal to 5. When q equal to 5, p equal to 2. What is the q value when p equal to 17? You take here, what is the relation here? From this we can write q1 square into p1 plus 3 equal to q2 square into p2 plus 3. Okay, here take the first values are p1 and q1, second values are q and p2. Substitute, that is 5 square, p1 is 2 plus 3 equal to q2 square we don't know, p2 is 17 plus 3. 5 5s are 25, 2 plus 3 is 5 equal to q2 square. 17 plus 3 is 20. It divides q2 square equal to 25 into 5 over 20. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. 4 can write it as 2 square. 5 into 5, 5 square. It is equal to 5 over 2 whole square. Q2 means q square equal to 5 over 2 whole square. From this, what is q value? 5 over 2, it is equal to 2.5. So what is the answer here? Find the value of q. Q equal to 2.5 is the answer. Okay. Next question. Sixth one. Given that t is inversely proportional to s cube, copy and complete the table. What is the question? S equal to S and T. One 80, 2 blank, 4 blank, 0.08 in T, 0.01. Okay. See here, T is inversely proportional to S cube, means T S cube is a constant, C is constant. Okay. Here, what is the relation here? T1 S1 cube equal to T2 S2 cube. What is S1 cube? 1 cube into 80 over, or it is equal to, this is T value, S2 is 2 cube, S2 cube, that is 2 cube. Okay. Here T2 equal to 2 cube is 80, 80 over 8, 8 ones are 8 tens are 80. What is the T value here? 10 is the T value. This is the first case. Then Again we take T1 S1 cube equal to T2 S2 cube. Here T1 is 80, S1 is 1 cube equal to T2 we don't know, S2 cube is 4 cube. Okay. Here T2 equal to 80, 1 cube is 1 only, 80 ones are 80, 4 cube means it's a 64, 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64, 8 eights are 64, 8 tens are 80. Then 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Okay. That is 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80. So what is T2 here? 5 over 4, it is equal to 1.25. You take the division, that is 1.25. Okay, this is 1.25. Next, in the third case, what is that? T1 is 80. T1 is 80. S1 is 1 cube equal to S2 cube we don't know, T1 square or T2 is 0.08, T2 is 0.08, this is the value, 80 over 0.08 equal to S2 cube. Take the decimal or elimination of the decimal point, multiply with 100. So from this we can write S2 cube equal to 8000 over 8. 8 ones are 8000, that is equal to 10 cube. From this, what is S2 value here? 10 is the S2. This is equal to 10. Okay. In the last case, so what is T1? 80 is only we are taking the same value. What is S1? 1 cube equal to, what is T2? 0.01. What is S cube? We don't know, unknown value is S. So here 80 over 0.01 equal to S cube equal to 80, elimination of the decimal point with the multiplication of 100, 7, it is equal to 8000, 8 into 1000, that is 20 whole cube. 1000 means 10 cube, 8 means 2 cube, 10 into 2, 20 cube. S cube equal to 20 cube. What is S? 20. This is 20. Got it? Okay. This is the way we solve simply. Next question. The force of repulsion F newtons means F is, force is denoted by the F variable, it is in the units newtons, between two particles is inversely proportional to square of the distance d meter between the particle. What is the relation here? Force and square of the distance are both are inversely proportional, means it is a constant, that is C. It is the relation of the inversely proportional with the force of repulsion between the two particles is inversely proportional to square of the distance. The first question, write down the formula connecting F and D. This is the formula, first one is, that is F D square is equal to constant K or constant C, whatever you take it. Next, when the particles are a certain distance apart, the force of the repulsion 20 newtons, F equal to 20 newtons. Okay. Find the force when the distance is halved. Okay. 20 newtons when the distance is some d only. They are asking force is how much when distance becomes half of the distance. Okay, how much force in between of the two particles? Applying that, what is the relation? F1 d1 square equal to F2 d2 square. Okay, here taking F1 is 21 Newton, d1 is d only, F2 is F only, d2 is half of the first distance, d by 2. Write in that 20 d square equal to F, half of the distance means d by 2 whole square. 20 d square equal to F into d square, 2 2s are 4. So what is the force here? F equal to 20 d square multiply and take the reciprocal, 4 over d square cancel, 420 is a 80 newtons. What is the answer for this? 80 newtons is the force when the distance is half. Next question. 8th one. For a fixed volume, the height h centimeter of a cone is inversely proportional to square of the base radius r centimeter. Cone A has the base radius of 6 centimeter and height of h centimeter. Here what is the relation? Height is inversely proportional to square of its radius. Yes, what is that? Height is inversely proportional to square of its radius. From that, height radius square is equal to constant. That is the relation of the height and radius. Next, a cone A has base radius r equal to 6 centimeter and height h equal to 5 centimeter. And the base radius cone B, it is a cone. For cone B, radius is equal to 3 centimeter and the height of the cone C is 1.2 centimeter, 1.25 centimeter. If all the cones have the same volume, find the height of the cone B and the base radius of the cone C. Okay, the relation is h1 r1 square equal to h2 r2 square. This is r1, first a, h1, h, r2, substitute 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter whole square equal to height we don't know, radius is 3 centimeter whole square. Okay, here height is equal to 5 into 6 centimeter cube over 3 into 3 9 centimeter square. It is centimeter cube. Centimeter square cancel. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 2s are. What is the height here? H equal to 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20 centimeter. So cone B height is 20 centimeter. Okay. For the C, the same h1 r1 square equal to h2 r2 square. What is h1? 5 centimeter. r1 is 6 centimeter whole square. h2 1.25 centimeter. r2 we don't know, this is r square. Radius we need to find here. 5 centimeter into 6 6 are 36 centimeter square over 1.25 centimeter equal to r square. Point elimination, take the 100 in the numerator. 25 4s are 25, 5s are 125, 5 1s are 5 1s are 1 centimeter 1 centimeter cancel. Okay, here 36 is a perfect square. 36 equal to 6 square, 4 equal to 2 square. This product 36 into 4 equal to 6 into 2 whole square. It is equal to 12 square. What is the radius here? R equal to 12 or R square equal to 12 square. From this R equal to 12 centimeter. Or here we write 12 centimeter whole square also with the units. So here what is the radius of the cone C? 12 centimeter. Okay. This is the way. How to solve? Here square roots, or you multiply 36 into 4. 6 4s are 24, 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 12 plus 2 14. 14 means it is 12 square. You do like that also. Next question. 9th one. Y is inversely proportional to 2x plus 1. So how to write directly here with the inversely proportional relation? Y multiply with 2x plus 1 is equal to k. It is a constant. Okay. For the positive values of y and the difference in the values of y when x equal to 0.5 and x equal to 2, difference is y2 minus y1 or y1 minus y2 is equal to 0.9. They are asking positive values of y and the difference is the values of y when x equal to 0.5, x equal to 2 is 0.9. The bigger is 2 means so y2 minus, it is x1 is 0.5, x2 equal to 2. Find the value of y. Next find the value of y when x equal to negative 0.25. Okay. Here see what is the relation? Y1 into 2x1 plus 1 equal to y2 of 2x2 plus 1. Substitute. And here we take it. Okay, here one thing, y1 of 2x1 plus 2, y2 minus y1 means y2 equal to, here first we take y2 equal to k over 2x1 plus or 2x2 plus 1, y1 equal to k over 2x1 plus 1. Yes. Here subtract from one to another, y2 minus y1 equal to k over 2x2 plus 1 minus k over 2x1 plus 1. Okay. Then substitute, it is equal to 0.9 equal to k over 2 x2 is 2 plus 1 minus k over 2 x1 is 0.5 plus 1. What is this? What is this here? 0.9 equal to k is taking common from the two terms. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 1 over 5 minus k is taking outside 1 over 0.5 to the 1, 1 plus 1, it's 2. 0.9 equal to k into, it is 0.2 minus, it's 0.5. So k equal to 0.9 over minus 0.3. Point cancel, it is equal to minus 3. Okay, for all positive values of y and the difference in the values of y, k equal to negative 3. What is the last question? Find the value of y when x equal to. Y equal to how much when x equal to negative 0.25. What is the relation from here? Y equal to k over 2x plus 1. K is the minus 3 over 2 into minus 0.25 plus 1. It is negative 0.25 into 2, that is negative 0.5, plus 1 minus 0.5, it is equal to 0.5. So it is negative 3 over 0.5. Elimination of the decimal point with the product of, or multiply the numerator with 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. What is the y value? Negative 6 is the y value. Okay. First you take any way, or difference also you can take it. Next question. 10th one. Y is inversely proportional to x square. What is that? Y x square equal to constant and y equal to b for a particular value of x. Find an expression in terms of b for y. Y equal to b, particular term of x. So b x square equal to k. What is x square? K over b. Find an expression in terms of b for y when the value of x is tripled. Okay, y equal to, express in b, the x is tripled, that is 3x. Okay, write in that. What is that? Y triple of x, 3x whole square equal to k. Y triple means 3 3s are 3 square means 9, x square equal to k. Okay, here what is x square? We write here y x square multiply with 9 equal to k. Here x square substitute in the place of x square, substitute x, k over b, 9 y into x square means k over b equal to k. What is y? That is k multiply with b over 9k. K ones are constant, that both k values are cancelled. Here y equal to b over 9 or 9y equal to b. The y can expressed in terms of b when x is tripled 3 times. Okay, got it? Y can express in b only. This y is expressed in b.